Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add more than 3 variants in Shopify. First, log into your account. Then in here, if you go to the products section, then select one of your products. As you can see, if you go to your variant section, you can only add up to 3 categories. Now to add more, what you need is to add an app to your Shopify. So on the left panel, go to Apps and click on Add. Now, go to Shopify App Store. Then for here, go and search for product variants. Then here you can see different apps that you can choose from. But for here, I'm gonna choose on Global Product Options and Variant. Then just go ahead and install it. Now install it again to confirm. Now you can continue as free. After that, you can now go ahead and create your option set. Then on the left panel, go to your products. Then here, you can go to manual selections and select the product where you want to add your options. Now, you can go to this element section. Now for here, you can go ahead and add an element. For example, I'm going to choose a drop down. Then, just go ahead and click on that. For the label, I'm going to type in the label of my variant. For example, is size. Then for the options, you can add one. And you can add another option value. And add another one as much as you'd like to. You can also change the placeholder text, which is this one. Now, if you go and click on this preview, you will see your options in here. Once done, just click on the Save button at the top right. Now, you can go back to your elements, and you can go ahead and add another one if you'd like to. After that, you can now close your product options. Now, go back to your global app, and for the next step, you need to make your options visible on your storefront. So go ahead and click on Enable App Embed. And now, make sure to toggle this on. Then click on the Save button at the top right corner. Now, go back to your Shopify dashboard. Then on the left panel, you can now go to your products. Then choose the one where you make the variants. After that, click on the Preview button on the upper ribbon. And from there, you will see your original variants and the one that you made from Globo. And that's just basically it. That's how you make more than 3 variants in your Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.